So we are going to do exercise 12.3 question number 2. So what it says is, given that a point PQR are collinear, find the ratio in which Q divides PR. So they said that the 3 points P, Q and R, they are collinear with coordinates 3 to -4, -4, then we have 5, 4, -6, then we have 9, 8, -10. And they said that find the ratio in which Q divides PR. So we have to find this ratio. First thing what I will do is, let the ratio be K is to 1. I will take the ratio to be K is to 1. So I will write here, let the ratio in which Q divides PR be K is to 1. Then from here what I will do, we know the formulas how to find out the coordinates of the midpoint, the coordinates of Q, with the help of the ratio and the coordinates of P and R. So first thing, if I have to write this one as X, Y, Z. So here X was equal to what? It was, we have done the formula with help of M is to N. So it will be K is equal to M into the opposite side of M, that is 9, M into 9 plus, and this division is internally because Q point lies inside PR, right? So M into 9, then N into 3 divided by M plus N. But here the ratio is what? K is to 1. So we have 9K plus 3 divided by K plus 1. So this is what we have as X. So X value we already know, that is 5. So we have 5 is equal to 9K plus 3 divided by K plus 1. Now if I cross multiply, so we have 5 into K plus 1 is equal to 9K plus 3. Then that implies 5K plus 5 is equal to 9K plus 3. Then we have 4K is equal to, it's coming out to be 2. 5 minus 3, that is 2. So therefore K is equal to 1 by 2. So we have K as 1 by 2. So the ratio will be what? So I will write here, hence the required ratio is, we have K is to 1 as the ratio, right? So we have what? Half is to 1, or we can write here 1 is to 2. That is my required ratio. 1 is to 2 by 1, it's basically 1 by 2 only. You look at here, 1 by 2 is to 1 is basically what? 1 by 2 by 1, and that is 1 by 2. So we can write this one as 1 is to 2. So that's how we get question number 3. Question number 2. Now let's do question number 3. So in question number 3, what they said that find the ratio in which YZ plane divides the line segment joining the points -2, 4, 7 and 3, -5, 8. So first thing, YZ plane. So we had X in here, Y in here, Z in here. So YZ plane was basically like this. So this, suppose this is my YZ plane. This is my YZ plane. Now it says that it divides, that YZ plane divides the line joining between 2 points. So we have, suppose a line is here and it's here. So this YZ plane divides the line joining the 2 points. One point this side is given by -2, 4, 7, and the other side is given by 3, -5, 8. So it divides the line in what ratio we have to find. So again we have to find the ratio of it. First thing I will write here, it is K is to 1. Now in YZ plane I need to know one thing, that the coordinate of x, the value of x in yz plane is always 0. So basically if I have to write the coordinate of this point, a general point, it will be 0 yz. Any general point on the yz plane, the coordinate will be 0 yz. So we can directly say the value of x is 0. So with the help of this ratio and the 2 points, that is p and q, I will try to equate them is equal to 0. So here my formula was, so I will write here, let the ratio be k is to 1. So now x, the formula of x is equal to 1. Let me use this thing. So k into 3, then plus, again it is an internal division, then 1 is to 1 into minus 2, then divided by k plus 1, and the value of x is 0, we can already write. So it will be 3k minus 2 divided by k plus 1. So k plus 1, if we cross multiply, it becomes 0, or 3k minus 2 is equal to 0. That implies 3k is equal to 2. So therefore k is equal to 2 by 3. So once you get k is equal to 2 by 3, so we can have the ratio as, hence the required ratio, just like the previous one, it will be 2 is to 3. That is my ratio. Okay, question number 4, it will be homework. You can do it by yourself, and you can take the help of example number 10. Just before this exercise there is a question. You can take the use the problem, use the example example number 10 and solve question number 4 by yourself. Now question number 5, find the coordinates of the points which trisect the line segment joining the points. So we have 2 points, that is p, that is given by 4, 2 minus 6, and q, that is given by 10 minus 16, 6. So basically we have to find the coordinates of the point which trisects the line segment. Trisects means what? It makes 3 equal paths. So we have here p, q, r, s. So we have to find the coordinates of r and s in here, which trisects the line joining the points p and q. So let the coordinate of r be x1, y1, z1, and the coordinate of s be x2, y2, z2. So first thing, trisect means what? This is 1, the ratio, it is basically 1 is to 1 is to 1. So the length is same. Now what I will do is, I will try to find each one of them at a time. I will first try to find r, then in the next time I will try to find s. So for r, this will look like, so my case 1, so now I am finding r. So here it will look like, here it will be r, then it will be p, then it will be q. So q coordinate is 10 minus 6, 6, and p coordinate is 4, 2, 6. So r coordinate will be x1, y1, z1, and here there is no s. So here you see that the point r divides the line PQ in the ratio of 1 is to 2. We can easily say that thing, because you can see that this length is 1 and this length is what? 1 plus 1, that is 2. So the point R divides the PQ line in the ratio of 1 is to 2. So I will write here the point R divides PQ in the ratio of 1 is to 2. So now we can easily find the coordinates of R. So first thing, let us find x1. So x1 will be what? 1 into 10, that is 10, plus 2 into 4, that is 8, divide by 1 plus 2, that is 3, that is x1. And y1 will be equal to what? Y1 will be equal to 1 into minus 6, then 2 into 2, that is 4, divided by 3. Then z1 will be equal to what? Z1 will be equal to 1 into 6, then plus 12, then 3. So now let us find the value of x1. So this is 18 by 3, that is 6. This one is minus 2 by 3, and this one is 18 by 3, that is again 6. So the coordinate of R we have already got it, that is 6 minus 2 by 3, 6. So this is the coordinate of R. Now if you look carefully, that point S divides R and Q, this line RQ, in basically S is the midpoint of RQ. So we can directly, if it is a midpoint, we can directly easily find the coordinates of x2, y2, z2. And how is it? If it is a midpoint, it will be found out by x2 will be equal to the code x1 plus 10. So 6 plus 10 divided by 2. Then y2 will be equal to what? It will be minus 2 by 3 minus 16 by 2. Then z2 will be equal to what? It will be 6 plus 6 by 2. Since it's a midpoint, we get this thing. So this coordinate will be 8. This thing will come out to be your 6, 3 6, so it is 48, 48, 50. 50, so it is minus 25 by 3. It is coming minus 25 by 3. And the last one, it is coming out to be 6. So the coordinate of point S, we get it as 8 comma minus 25 by 3 and 6. So this is how we complete coordinate 3D geometry.